What's up, peoples? It's another beautiful day to take a ride. Finally, we've had some rain coming our way and cold weather. We actually had snow like a couple weeks ago, and today is 70 degrees. Of course, I got a chance to get the bike out. Right now I'm gonna go to my fiance's work and get some paperwork. She actually has my driver's license, so I should probably be careful. See that fucker that just passed by? Them Harley riders, some of them are nice, some of them are not. That fucker didn't even want to look towards my direction. He actually faced the other way. Didn't even want to greet or nothing. Some fuckers are like that, some are not. Let's see this guy. Nope. That's why people fucking hate him. You gotta watch out for these damn potholes. Here in Michigan, they're the size of a small child. You fall in, you're not coming out. See that plane over there landing? Airport is right in that direction over there. So if you watch my videos, you know where to find me. This general direction. This guy doesn't know where to go. See, exactly, he saw me with the high beams on. It's all good, bud. I saw you. Stop acting all crazy. Yep, I'm recording. Just want to make sure. There goes a Bosnian. Probably everybody got let off from work. Oh, that's fucking loud. This bike is like really jerky at slow speeds, like this second gear. Oh, it's a she. Damn, she stepped on that bitch. And she's on the phone. And eating. Holy shit. What's next? Read a book? Let's see. She's kind of hot. I gotta remember, I don't have my driver's license. I'm actually going to pick it up right now. Man, I am debating on what bike should I buy. I got two bikes that I really want to get, and they're totally different from each other. I've been doing research, and they both have kind of their own little things that can go wrong with them and stuff. You know, common problems. The first one is that I saw is a 2009 Ducati 848. The next one is 2009 Yamaha R1. Currently, I had two Yamahas, one Honda, no Ducatis. So I should probably get a Ducati. I don't know. Maintenance versus reliability. I don't know. I do like the looks of a Ducati 848. I think I took the wrong turn. Fuck, man, I've been here before. Why can't I find it? Hey! It's a nice lake down here too. $7.